begin with, start by going into a straddle, pull up, open both legs, expand your chest, let your arms go, take your right leg and then your left leg inside. Bend your right knee and wrap your left toes around the left fabric. Climb up from the right side and simultaneously push the left foot away to come into a single pigeon. Now slowly from there, push the left fabric away, release the left foot, come to sit down again with your arms straight. Lightly pull up, bring your legs towards your head and do a tumble to come into reverse boat pose. From there, you will let your left hand go, bend your right knee and come into an inverted stag. Point your feet, make sure the knee clip is strong. Bring both hands on the left side of the fabric to come out of it. Now coming to what not to do. You pull up and you straddle, but the knees are bent. We don't want that. Extend the back of the knees. Take your right leg inside, left leg inside and around. You bend your right knee, climb up from the right side of the fabric. Very important, fabric behind the knee. And wrap the toes around the fabric, don't leave it loose, yeah? You climb up, but then you're only climbing with your arm strength. We don't want that. Climb up and push with the foot away at the same time to come into the pigeon. Once you're comfortably there, with your left hand, push the fabric away to release the left foot and come back down into a sitting position. Now, again here, you might throw your head back and try to clip your feet. We do not want that. Keep the chin tucked in. The head is the heaviest part of the body, so keep the chin tucked in. Pull up, use your core strength to go into a tumble to come into a full reverse boat pose. You will let your left hand go, bend your right knee, make the knee clip strong behind. Don't bend your knees, extend your legs. Hold the left side of the fabric to release the right knee and come out of it. Going into slow motion, everyone. Very important, take your hands up the fabric, wrap your fingers around it, inward rotation with the wrists. You're going to pull up and at the same time open your legs to come into a straddle. Let your hands go, point your feet back of the knees straight. Imagine your body like a laser, active throughout. Take your right leg inside, then take your left leg inside. From there, you bend your right knee only. And you will start climbing up from the right side of the fabric. Make sure the left toes are wrapped around the fabric. Your toes are very important. They're going to help you come up. Now climb up and push with the foot away at the same time. You're doing a simultaneous motion of pulling and pushing, yeah? Now from there, let your right hand go. Find balance as you are there. You're going to take your time and then with your left hand, try to release the left foot by pushing the fabric away. Release the fabric, come back down into a sitting position, knees together, feet together. Keep your chin tucked in, keep your head tucked in, keep your core very, very active. Imagine your legs have to go above your head, coming into an almost knee tuck to tumble position. Pull up, scoop your legs over your head, and then soundly you're going to come up into a reverse boat pose. Try to keep the head up, don't let the head fall down. Now whenever you come to an inverted stag, whichever hand you let go, the opposite knee bends to coming into a clip position. Slowly come down into a clip. Make sure you're grasping the fabric very tightly from the back of the knee. Let both hands go to come into an inverted stag. To come out of it, you will tuck your chin in, look up, get both hands on the left side of the fabric, release the right foot from the right side and slowly come down. Thank you for watching, everyone.